Hello student, myself Miss R. Kuldeep, Assistant Professor Botany, Government Bhanu Pratap Dev PG College, Kanker, Chhattisgarh. Today हम MSc सेकंड सेमेस्टर पेपर फर्स्ट यूनिट फोर्थ में फैमिली कॉम्बिनेंसी के बारे में देखेंगे। इस फैमिली में सबसे पहले सिस्टमेटिक पोजीशन देखते हैं। सिस्टमेटिक पोजीशन में अकॉर्डिंग टू बेंथम हुकर दिस फैमिली बिलोंग टू क्लास मोनोकॉटिलिडन्स, सब क्लास कॉम्बिलिनिडी, ऑर्डर कॉम्बिलिनियल्स and family Combilineaceae. And then after that some important genres are familiar plant of this family is the Combylina bengalensis, Combylina longifolia, Cyananthus cristata, Turnuscansia pallidate. And after that general discussion of family, this Combilineaceae is family of flowering plant consisting 50 genera and 700 species, which is widespread in tropical and subtropical region. In India, it is represented 11 genera and 75 species. And then vegetative characters of this family. At first, habit, they are mostly herb, annual or perennial, erect or creeping. Then roots are adventitious, stem, rhizome branched, erect with nodes and internodes. Next, leaf, the leaves are usually alternate and spirally arranged, sessile, petiolated, leaves is prominated and entire. The base of leaf warped around the stem. Next important characters is inflorescence is axillary, cynaceous, sometimes a monochesial cyme which arise either in the axilla of foliage leaf, for example Turnuscansia. And then flower, the flower are completed trimerous actinozygomorphic, example Gerbernia, and zygomorphic is Combylina species, hypogynous and pedicelated. Next, floral characters, perianth, the tepal 6 in 2 wall of 3 each. The outer wall green and the inner usually blue, violet and white and free. Imbricate aestivation. Next, androecium, stamen 6 in number in 2 wall, all functional in Turnuscansia and Folia. More commonly, some of them are absent or represented by staminate form. Filament often hairy or beard dithecous. Gynoecium tricarpally, Syncarpus ori superior, tricolor or sometimes bilocular, axial presentation, ovals 1 to many in each locules. Style terminal and stigma captate form. Then fruits, a loculicidal or indehiscent capsules फॉर्म में पाया जाता है. Then seed इसका एंडोस्पर्मिक होता है. And after that floral formula is family braced, actinomorphic or zygomorphic, hermaphrodite, perianth in 2 wall 3+3 or this formula K3 and corolla 3, androecium 3+3 staminate form and gynoecium tricarpary and Syncarpus. Next, this a plant of Combylina cristata and this different part of the flower, this floral diagram, this outermost shows perianth, this 6 number, and this stamen 3 are fertiles and 3 staminate form, and this trilocular ovary. Next है economic importance of the Comminaceae family. As a food form, the leaves of Commelina are edible and fried with gram flour as a pakoras. The rhizome of Commelia bengalensis are used as a vegetable. The medicinal form, the roots of Commelina oblique are used antidote to snake poison. The stem of Pholoscopa scandens in put in sore eye. The roots of Tradescantia are used for expelling worm in cattle as also for fever. Ornamental plants, Tradescantia scientitis are a ornamental plant. Then some affinities of Commelinaceae families. According to Bentham and Hooker, the Commelinaceae appear under the series Corinieri. Angler include it in the Poronaceae just after the Spathiflora. The Commelinaceae is allied to the Ponderaceae family. As regard the trimerous flower and nuclear endosperm, the Commelinaceae is related to just after the Spitheraceae family. The Commelinaceae is allied. Commelinaceae is allied to the Ponderaceae family. As regard the trimerous flower and nuclear endosperm, the Commelinaceae is related to Liliaceae. The semiotic habit, the Commelinaceae suggests relationship with member of Halibules. Then references इंटरनेट से लिया है सब मैंने, एंड देन थैंक्स.